So let's open the palms facing forward and bring the arms out in front of the body. This is the side view. The shoulders are relaxed, and as you're in this position, you're literally feeling the weight of the chi in your palms. At the same time, you're feeling the connection between the arms. If I move the hands in this manner, there's an arch of chi between the arms and the hands, and there's the chi also in the palms of the hands. Now, on a long, slow inhalation, we're going to raise the hands up, feeling the energy moving with the palms. And then we fold the hands in, and we are directing on the exhale the energy from the palms towards the third eye center. And now take another inhalation, move the hands down and out, back over the top, the spiraling motion. Then as you exhale, guiding the energy back towards the forehead 3 times. 1, 2, and if you want to take one breath with every spiral, that's okay too. 3. Now we're going to open, looking up, and you are just receiving that beautiful, peaceful chi from the heavens. You're smiling as you receive. And then exhaling, you guide the energy back towards the top of the crown. Inhaling now, raise the hands just 2 or 3 inches and feel that you're gathering that energy in the palms as we discussed. And now exhaling, flowing the energy down from the top of the crown to your pineal gland, to your throat chakra, to your heart chakra, down to the lower dantian, all your internal organs. And then as you get to the waist, you lean back on your heels and you turn the fingertips pointing forward, and you feel the energy shooting down the legs, all the way down out the feet, back to the ground. Now you lean forward on the balls of your feet, raising the palms up as you inhale, feeling the energy rising with you under the palms. And now exhaling 3 spirals, projecting the energy as you do this little circular movement, projecting energy back down towards your feet. And after the third one, guiding energy back down. And now let's return to that starting position, opening the hands wide in front. Long, slow inhalation, raising the arms up with that slow motion movement, feeling the chi flowing with your hands. Exhaling, guiding the energy to the third eye. And now spiral, hands go out in front, up over the top, back down towards the head. 1, 2, 3. Oh, guys, you look so great. Inhaling, open, look up, smile, receive, say yes to that energy that's flowing into you. Exhaling, projecting from the palms back to the forehead as you close. Inhaling, raising the hands just a couple of inches. Exhaling, flowing the energy down from the top of the crown to the base of the torso, full body cleansing. You're cleansing like you're doing a shower of chi energy, washing out any excess energy you no longer need. And the hands get to the waist, lean back on the heels, feel that rush of the energy down the legs, out the feet, back to the ground, and lean forward just a little bit as you breathe in and raise the palms up. And now spiral, left hand moving clockwise. 1, 2, 3. energy back down towards the feet. And this feels so good. We're going to do one more, opening the hands in front. Breathing in, raising the energy up. Breathing out, guiding the energy back to the top of your crown. Breathing in, spiral circling out over the top, back. 1, 2, 3. Long, slow, deep inhalation, opening, looking up, smiling as you receive. Exhaling, guiding the energy from the palms back to the top of the crown. Inhaling, raising the hands up. Exhaling, the energy enters from the top of the crown, goes down to the center of the brain, the pineal gland, and now that central axis to the throat, down to your heart, the solar plexus, the lower dantian, all the organs. Lean back on the heels as you go past the hips, the thighs, the knees, the calves, the ankles, the feet out to the ground. Breathing in, leaning forward on the balls of the feet, raising the energy with the palms. Spiraling. 1, 2, 3. Bring the hands back to the sides, back to the beginning of the universe position. And just spiral, relax.